Imagine waking up, opening your browser, and noticing something extraordinary on the familiar Google homepage. A vibrant, animated doodle pulsing with energy, inviting you to click. But this isn't just another whimsical celebration of a historical figure or global event. Today, it's the gateway to a new era in online search, Google's AI mode. With a single click, you're transported from the realm of traditional search into a world where your queries are met with understanding, context, and genuine conversation. In this exploration, we'll uncover what Google's AI mode really is, why the company chose its iconic homepage Doodle to introduce it, how it's revolutionizing the way we search, the significance of the new share button, and what these developments mean for the future of AI in our everyday digital lives. So, what exactly is AI mode? At its core, AI mode is Google's latest leap in search technology, powered by the advanced Gemini 2.5 artificial intelligence model. Rather than relying on the familiar method of typing keywords and receiving a list of blue links, AI mode invites users to engage in conversational, chatbot-style interactions. This means you can ask Google questions in natural language, follow up with clarifying details, and receive responses that aren't just snippets or summaries, but comprehensive, context-aware answers tailored to your unique needs. Whether you're researching a complex topic, troubleshooting a technical problem, or simply exploring an idea, AI mode is designed to handle nuanced, multi-layered queries with the kind of reasoning and depth that previous search engines could only dream of. The introduction of AI mode marks a pivotal shift in how we think about search. For decades, Google has been synonymous with the search box and the magic of finding anything online with a few clever keywords. But as the internet has grown more complex and the questions we ask have become more sophisticated, it's clear that the old model has its limitations. AI mode addresses these challenges by making search feel less like a transaction and more like a dialogue. It breaks down the barriers between user and machine, allowing for a fluid, back-and-forth exchange that mirrors how we seek information in everyday conversation. But why did Google choose its homepage Doodle, a beloved and highly visible feature, to promote AI mode? The answer lies in the Doodle's unparalleled reach and its ability to capture user attention in ways that traditional announcements simply can't. For years, Google Doodles have celebrated cultural milestones and piqued curiosity around the globe. By dedicating this prime digital real estate to AI mode, Google signals just how significant this innovation is. The animated doodle serves as both an invitation and a statement. AI mode isn't just another feature tucked away in a menu. It's the next frontier of search, and Google wants everyone to experience it firsthand. There's another clever twist to this doodle too: the addition of a share button. At first glance, it might seem like a small detail, but its implications are profound. With a single tap, users can instantly share their discovery of AI mode with friends, family, and social networks. This not only accelerates the spread of awareness, but also positions AI mode as a shared cultural moment, something to be talked about, explored together, and integrated into daily digital routines. The share button transforms the doodle from a passive announcement into an active catalyst for conversation, underscoring Google's broader commitment to making AI accessible and relevant to everyone. So, how is AI mode actually changing the way we search? In traditional search, users often had to adapt their questions to fit the system, stripping down queries to keywords and hoping the algorithms would piece together the right answers. With AI mode, the relationship is flipped. The system adapts to the user. You can ask open-ended questions, provide detailed context, and even shift directions mid-conversation. For example, searching for best ways to reduce energy consumption at home no longer yields a simple list of tips. Instead, AI mode might ask you follow-up questions about your living situation, analyze your responses, and deliver a tailored plan, complete with actionable steps and references to authoritative sources. This dynamic interaction isn't limited to text either. With multimodal capabilities, AI mode can interpret images, voice inputs, and even combine them with text-based queries. Imagine uploading a photo of a plant and asking, what's the best way to care for this? AI mode will not only identify the plant, but also provide a customized care guide based on your climate and living conditions. It's a level of personalization and depth that opens up new possibilities for learning, problem-solving, and creativity, all within the familiar framework of a Google search. The implications of AI mode's debut extend far beyond individual convenience. On a broader scale, this marks a turning point in the competitive landscape of artificial intelligence and online information. As more users experience the seamless conversational nature of AI mode, expectations for how we interact with technology will shift. Search engines can no longer be static repositories of information. They must become adaptive, intuitive partners in exploration and discovery. This evolution is likely to influence not only how we search, but how we learn, work, and communicate across digital platforms. Of course, with great innovation comes great responsibility. Google's rollout of AI mode is also an opportunity to set new standards for transparency, accuracy, and ethical use of artificial intelligence. The company has emphasized its commitment to providing trustworthy, well-sourced answers and incorporating user feedback to continually improve the system. As we move further into the age of AI-powered search, the importance of safeguarding user privacy, ensuring data security, and preventing misinformation cannot be overstated. Looking ahead, the integration of AI into everyday browsing experiences is set to accelerate. We can expect to see even more seamless interactions, greater personalization, and expanded capabilities that blur the lines between search, conversation, and collaboration. The animated doodle and its share button are just the beginning, a signal that the tools we use to navigate information are evolving and that anyone, anywhere, can be part of this transformation. So, the next time you see a lively, interactive doodle on Google's homepage, don't just admire the artwork, click it, and step into a new world of discovery. AI mode represents not just a technical upgrade, but a reimagining of what it means to search, learn, and connect in the digital age. As we explore these new possibilities together, one thing is clear. The future of search isn't about finding answers. It's about having conversations that unlock deeper understanding and spark new ideas. Stay curious, stay engaged, and keep exploring. The future of search is here, and with tools like Google's AI mode, it's more accessible and more exciting than ever before.